Pet industry. Cute money. The first pets in the world were likely dogs, domesticated over 30,000 years ago. Dogs were initially tamed for their utility in hunting and protection, but over time, they became companions to humans. Other animals, such as cats, were domesticated later, primarily for their ability to control pests. Keeping pets purely for companionship rather than work or food became more common in the 18th and 19th centuries. Here's a general breakdown of pet ownership percentages globally. Approximately 33% of households have dogs, around 23% have cats, about 12% keep fish, and roughly 6% have birds. The percentage of households that keep insects as pets is estimated to be around 1–2% globally. The most popular pets around the world are typically dogs and cats. Here are some of the most popular breeds for each. French Bulldog. Known for their playful and adaptable nature, they have become the most popular dog breed in recent years. Labrador Retriever. Renowned for their friendly and outgoing personality, Labradors are a favorite among families. Golden Retriever. These dogs are loved for their friendly and tolerant attitude, making them great companions. German Shepherd. Valued for their intelligence and versatility, German Shepherds are often used in police and military roles. Domestic Short Hair. These cats are not a specific breed, but a mix of various breeds, making them diverse in appearance and personality. Persian. Known for their long, luxurious fur and calm demeanor, Persians are popular with cat lovers. Maine Coon. One of the largest domesticated cat breeds, Maine Coons is friendly and pleasant. Siamese. Recognizable by their striking blue eyes and sleek bodies, Siamese cats are known for being vocal and affectionate. The United States is the leading producer of pet supplies, holding over 40% of the global market share. This includes a wide range of products like pet food, toys, grooming supplies, and more. Following the US, Brazil, Germany, and the United Kingdom also have significant shares in the pet supplies market. But there is a dark side to the pet trade too. The illegal wildlife trafficking market is one of the most lucrative illegal businesses globally, following drugs, human trafficking, and arms. What are the most sought-after animals? Birds like the turquoise-fronted parrot and the African gray parrot. Reptiles like shingleback lizards, bearded dragons, ball pythons, corn and king snakes, and green iguana. Primates like chimpanzees and golden-bellied mangabeys and lemurs. Big cats like tigers, leopards, and lions. Dogs like French bulldogs, chihuahuas, pugs. Cats like Persian cats, Sphinx cats, and Bengal cats. Fish like Asian arowana and clownfish. Amphibians like axolotls, poison dart frogs, and red-eyed tree frogs. And even insects like tarantulas, butterflies, emperor scorpions, beetles, and stick insects. The illegal wildlife trafficking market is substantial, with estimates ranging from $7 billion to $23 billion per year.